Leaders, you're going to take your left foot side, right foot side, left foot back, replace forward. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Followers, you're going to take your right foot side, left foot side, right foot back, replace forward. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Make sure to keep some tension in your arms so that you can move at the same time as your partner. Leaders, you're going to take your left foot, you're going to triple on the left foot, right foot triples to the side, left foot back, replace forward. One, a two, three, a four, five, six. Followers, you're going to take your right foot, triple to the right, left foot, triple to the left, right foot back, replace forward. One, a two, three, a four, five, six. 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 Make sure that you take the follower's hands to the side when you're going to start, so she knows to start with you. Leaders, you're going to take your left foot back, right foot forward, left foot side, right together, left side, right foot back, left foot back, right foot in place, left in place, right in place. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Followers, you're going to take your right foot forward, left foot forward, right foot forward, left side, right forward, left foot back, right foot back, left in place, right in place, left in place. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The triple rhythm is going to be in nearly every Lindy shape, so be most comfortable with your 1, a 2s, or 3, a 4s. Leaders, you're going to take your left foot forward, right foot touch forward, right step back, left tap back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Followers, you're going to take your right foot back, left tap back, left foot forward, right tap forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure to have a little bit of tilt to let the follower know when you're changing weight and when you're just tapping. Leaders, you're going to take your left foot forward, right touch forward, right foot side, left rock step, left kick step, right kick, hold, kick, step, left rock step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Followers, you're going to take your right foot back, left foot tap back, left foot side, right foot rock step, right foot kick step, left foot kick, hold, kick, step, right foot rock step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure to open up all the way when you're side by side so that you can remain together in space. Leaders, you're going to take your left back, right together, left hold, left together, right forward, left together, right hold, right together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Followers, you're going to take your right foot forward, left together, right hold, right together, left back, right together, left hold, left together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A very slight tilt and a very slight raise will keep the foot from changing weight on the holds. Collegiate Jag Basic. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick.
Slow, slow, quick, quick. Leaders, you're going to have 2 pulses on your left foot, 2 on your right foot, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Followers, you're going to have 2 pulses on your right foot, 2 on the left, 1 on the right, 1 on the left. Slow, slow, quick, quick. A little bit of tilt on these steps will convey a lot for where you're changing your weight. Leaders, you're going to take your left foot side, right foot side. One, two, three, four. Followers, you're going to take your right foot side, left foot side. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Make sure that as much of the leader's right arm and the follower's left arm is connected as possible to move together as a unit. Leaders, you're going to move left side, right side, left side, right side. One, two, three, four. Followers, you're going to take your right foot side, left side, right side, left side. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Leading slightly with the hip will allow the motion to stay quick. Leaders, you're going to press and then move to the left foot, press and then move to the right foot. One, a two, three, a four. Followers, you're going to press and then move to the right foot, press and then move to the left foot. One, a two, three, a four. 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 These presses are split weight So you won't move fully to 1 foot until at the end of the press.